privilege to lead Cigna Medical Group, in particular, the group's response over these last 19 months navigating through COVID-19 was definitely one of the highlights of my career. By way of context, Cigna Medical Group is a team of 1,200 incredible clinicians, staff, and leaders. And throughout the pandemic, just the overall sense of purpose was really amplified and unwavering. And the team came together to drive rapid change and innovation to support our patients in the broader community in terms of the ongoing access to care and to services that folks needed through this time. A few examples I would highlight. So first and foremost, early on in the pandemic, a lot of focus went into ensuring a safe and a supportive environment for both our patients and our coworkers. So things like sourcing of personal protective equipment and implementing new rigorous safety measures. We launched a telehealth solution in a mere 5 weeks to be able to support and connect and serve our patients virtually. And we introduced same-day medication delivery to our patients' front doors. We also provided much needed community support in navigating the pandemic. We launched a dedicated COVID-19 hotline that provided triage, care guidance, and support. Testing, including standing up drive-through testing clinics, vaccine administration in all of our locations, including drive-through vaccine locations, and eventually co-sponsoring a mass vaccination site here in the state of Arizona. And lastly, Cigna Medical Group was one of the first non-hospital settings in the nation to innovate around the monoclonal antibody infusion therapies for COVID-infected patients. I was recently named to a new role as the Senior Vice President of Healthcare Delivery for Evernorth. And Evernorth is Cigna's wholly owned health services company, which is focused on transforming healthcare through its benefits, care delivery, pharmacy, and intelligence-driven solutions. So I'll have the fortune of leading Evernorth's dedicated care delivery business, which includes now Cigna Medical Group, along with the rest of our care delivery organizations. And collectively, our focus is to bring to life comprehensive services and offerings that are all about delivering high quality, affordable care when, where, and how our patients, customers, and clients want it, all with the vision of continuing to innovate and to transform healthcare delivery in a way that improves access to care and makes healthcare even more simple, predictable, and affordable. Sure. So I can truly say that my parents, Marion Wagner and Jim Bennett, have had the greatest influence on my life. They're both entrepreneurial and worldly people, having traveled, lived, and worked in many countries, and actually having run their own travel agency early in my childhood. They're also very giving and caring people. My dad specifically, among his many traits, is strategic, analytical, and has a really strong problem-solving orientation. And my mom, among her broader traits, is really people-centric and empathetic. And so together, they helped instill in me a wonder of the world and a curiosity and a learning orientation, this sense of an entrepreneurial spirit and a change mindset, and then a strong sense of self, but balanced with a healthy humility and empathy. And I feel grateful for the formative impact that they've had on making me and shaping me as the person I am today, but also how I've been able to carry forward the traits and the attributes from their influence into my leadership orientation, and then apply that into the context of the various roles and leadership challenges that I've embarked upon, especially as I think about healthcare, right? And this, which is a space that clearly calls for ongoing forces of positive change, innovation, and transformation, but with that service orientation, given that we are ultimately in an industry that's charged with caring for the health and the well-being of others. So in aggregate, I feel really fortunate for all of the ways that they've shaped me. And then also, fortunately, that they continue to be my closest friends, role models, and advisors to me today.